In this video, I'll be showing how to use Applixure to find computers with repeated high memory usage in under 10 seconds. Now, every user knows just how frustrating it is to wait for a slow computer with memory issues. So the first thing for IT to do to remedy this issue is to quickly identify the computers having repeated high memory usage. So let's start the clock to see if we can find them in under 10 seconds. So we go straight from our Applixure dashboard to devices. We click on warnings, high memory usage on 13 devices, show the devices as a list, and there we've got it. Quick, wasn't it? And now we've got our 13 devices all experiencing repeated high memory usage. We can search through the list, we can sort the list, we can export it, and also we can look at any individual devices and do a deep dive into what actually might be happening on the device to be causing the high memory usage. Things that you might want to look at for high memory usage are current alerts, the issue event history, software that's been installed, and the hardware to see whether there's any opportunity to upgrade the RAM. And there you have it. So if you want to find out how many computers in your environment are experiencing repeated high memory usage issues, or any other issues for that matter, you can try Applixure for free. So you'll install Applixure in minutes and gain full visibility to your end user environment in the coming days as the data flows in. So go to applixure.com now and give it a try.